My message to other people that get cancer is there is hope through a clinical trial. I consider myself pretty lucky. My name is Sandra Griego. I have been married for 33 years to my husband, Michael, who is also my wonderful caretaker. I have two amazing children who are adults now. That day I will never forget. It's embedded in my mind. I was at the gym doing a warm-up on the bicycle, and I had my hands like this, and my arm just started getting tingly. And I put it down and I shake it out, and it felt good, and put it back up, started tingling again, and soon pain in my shoulder. It just got worse that quickly. I went to go see my physician, and she sent me to do physical therapy, and I did that for many months. I saw orthopedic specialists, a biopsy was done, and then that's when I was introduced to my oncologist, and they gave me my diagnosis of epithelioid sarcoma. It was very hard. My son learned about it because my husband called my son, who was then in nursing school, and he came over to the house and sat down with me. We both cried, and my husband told my daughter she doesn't like to talk about it. My oncologist told me I had two choices. One choice was a radical amputation. They would have to go in through there and out through there and take my whole shoulder out. I didn't like the sound of that at all. And the other was to do the clinical trial. And that was a no-brainer. I started on the clinical trial around July of 2016. I live in Colorado Springs, so I go to Denver for my treatments. I take 4 pills in the morning, 4 pills in the evening, and it's a total of 1,600 milligrams of tazemetostat. The treatment's going well. The first, I would say 2 or 3 months, the tumor shrunk. That was really exciting. After that, it's leveled off, and I'm in what they consider a partial response, which I understand that's really good news. Some days are better than others, but I'm here, I'm alive, I got my arm, thanks to the clinical trial. I could not do this without all the people who helped me, from my neighbor who drove me for a full year back and forth, to my husband who takes care of me, to my sisters who each given up their time, and they stayed with me for 30 days each. And then I have another sister who flies in with me to go to my doctor appointments. I would like to say to Congress that if we're to be the country that we would like to be, then find the funds to do the research. My message to other people that get the diagnosis of cancer is there is hope through a clinical trial. Lord knows we need hope.